What's going on?
Jeff!
I hear explosions.
Hey!
Oh, no.
Get out of there, bro. Come on.
Jeff,
Jeff, stop throwing weird grenade
Jeff.
stuff. We're learning about math. Oh, Jeff, that's
2 + 2
boring.
=
I
6.
don't want to learn. I put moose milk. What if you have... Oh!
Whoa.
Big Jeff.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean... I'm very...
I can teach you about gains. Yo, bro, do you even live, bro? Bro, what? What, bro? Yeah, bro. I always lived. Yeah. I play football, too, and volleyball.
Yeah, and volleyball, yeah.
I'm getting a phone call. That's a really old phone. Why are you holding that? I'm tired of Alaska. Oh, snap. You hear that? If you didn't know, bro, I need to talk to Moose. Oh, nope, definitely not personally. Jeff said he doesn't want to risk another daycare. I am a bodyguard for 100K. What are you talking about? Wait, is he negotiating with her? I'm blowing up right now. Oh, she's right there. She's back, bro. Give me the weapons. Come on.
Moose, take the stuff. Take the stuff.
Big fist.
We must fight the minions.
We must fight the minions. Yeah. Welcome to the day of Daycare. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's so good to be back in Daycare every single day, man, because Daycare is always super duper lit every single day. So where's Jeff at? Jeff! Hello? Where you at, buddy? Jeff? Jeff? Hello? Jeff? What the heck is this? What is that? Yeah, it smells weird. Jeff? Hello? Jeff! Where did Jeff go? Wait a minute. I have the secret solution! Jeff! Huh. It's okay, fine. Hey, alright, so anyways, let's go. Oh, what is that? What's that over there? Hold on, what's going on here? Put it in her now. Secret Ninja Moose. Skylar's Mech Shop. Yeah, I'm gonna be on my way. I don't know about that. Wait, what is this? Welcome to Skylar's Mech Shop. What is going on here? Hold on. What is this? Skylar's shop? Skylar's Mech Shop. What is that thing? Oh! Hey! Hi, Skylar. How you doing? Hey, what you up to today? Wait a minute. Hold on. I'm not interested in you. You're interested in Cyclone, so I can't. What's up, boyfriend? No, we're not boyfriend, first of all. You were interested in Cyclone, and I didn't like you, and I was happy with that, and I left. We dated for years. No, we're not dating for years, you crazy girl. What are you talking about? I don't even know who you are. Okay, I do know who you are. I kind of knew you for a long time. But still, we got to get married. No, stop it. We're not going to get married. What do you want from me? And what is this stuff over here? What do you have a mech shop? What is this? Like a mechanic shop or what? I got good news. Oh, free. Sorry, what? Were you saying something? After burning down your cars, I decided to help you make new ones. Wait, really? Awesome. Do you have like proof of a car you've made before? Because like, I don't know, Skylar. You're kind of crazy, and I can't tell if it's one of your traps to kidnap you or something, you know? Check my whip out. Where is it? I don't see no car. Better than the F8 or whatever you had. This dude. What was that? Oh! What the? Well, you don't see that every single day. Yo, what is that thing, man? Is that a real car? Ah! Does that actually work? No way. Don't call me man. What? I didn't call you no man. What is this thing, dude? I'm your girlfriend. No, you're not my girlfriend, and I'm not interested. Ah! Back fist. Yeah, but get out of the car. Get out of the car right now. This is a robbery. I'm taking it. How'd you do that? What'd you do? What'd you do to my car? Hey! What'd you do? Missing this? I have two, you nub. I have two of these things. Hey! Get back here! Get back here with my car! Ow! Come here! Give me my car back! I want it! Need fuel! No! I want the car right now! And you can't stop me from getting it! Nah, okay, awesome. So, Skylar, what do we do today? You gonna teach me how to make a car or something? Because that'd be super duper awesome, you know? I mean, I kind of miss my cars a little bit, but listen. if you can help me out, that'd be amazing. Just make sure my car does not smoke or blow up. All right, please, thank you. Awesome. What is this thing? So is this fueling up right now? That's pretty cool. Oh, this is way better than the Q8. R8. Okay, R8. So what is all this stuff over here? How does that work? Oh, it's like crafting things. Okay, cool. So what we gotta do is put down the car workshop in the middle. Okay, and then this goes all around. All right, and then kaboom. Now we have the actual workshop. So what's the crafting recipe over here? So do I just follow these recipes and then I'm good to go? Really? Is that easy? Yes, ma'am. I'm a guy. Okay. All right. So we got chests. Did it. Doubt it. What? Huh? What'd you say? What? This dude. Okay. So then we go over here and I put these 2 car seats here. Okay. Perfecto. A chest over here. A 3-cylinder engine. Nah, I only like V10s. All right. And then I got more of these things all around. And, oh, snap. I made my car. Yay. Check it out. The new whip is awesome. I like it. Now, how do I drive it? Skylar, it won't drive. How do I drive it, Skylar? Do I? Get in. I'm in. I'm in the car. What now? What are you doing? It ain't driving. Hit R. Oh. Oh, snap. Yeah, it's awesome. Up. Skylar. I crashed it. Yeah, the car is really bad at this. Yeah. Oh, Snappy fixed it. Yay. You're in the 2-person car. Awesome. Yay. Awesome. Yo, you drive? I'll be in the back seat. Awesome. There we go. You call me he? Oh, what are you talking about? Why are you getting so offended over things? Come on. It was an accident. You crashed it, Skylar. That's what you get. You told me you're going to give me a new car and you crashed it. No more car for you. What? Hey, that's not fair. You can't just get mad at me like that for no reason, Skylar, and then crash my car to the wall. Not cool, Skylar. Not cool. You know what? I'll make another one without your help because you think you're all cool and stuff, like a mechanic, like you know how to do like the mechanic stuff. But whatever. I can build my own cars. Yeah, I do what I want. I don't care, Skylar. You go do your own thing without any boyfriend. I went there. Okay, so 3-cylinder engine over here. There we go, and a car tank. And kaboom! Yay! I got my new compact car. Yo, check it out. My car is so cool. Awesome. Hey. Oh, no. Oh, snap. Here we go. Yeah. This is so dope, dude. And it's a 1-seater car, so I gotta worry about no Skylers over here breaking my things like usual. Yeah. Oh. Hey. What are you doing? Hey. Let me out. No, stop it. Skylar, get me out of here. What are you doing? Crash barrier. Are you kidding me? You trapped my car there. Stop messing with my stuff. Enjoy. No. I hate you so much, Skylar. I can't stand you. You know, ever since you met Psycho, you've been a whole different person, all right? Let me just tell you that. You've been a whole nother person, you know? You can't hate your wife. I'm not married to you. What are you talking about? I'll build another car without your help. Yeah. Look at this. I already built 2 cars. Awesome. There we go. Perfecto. Put the chest over here. What, metal? I don't know what you mean. What? Huh? What? Oh, wait. Did not work? Oh, want metal. Yeah, sure. Skylar, how did I make this work? How did I make the car work? What am I missing? Am I missing like a different clay? Huh? Help! Skylar! Skylar! Random person! I'm looking! Shh! Skylar! Messina! He! She! Help! Please! Now! I am so hungry! I want some fist! With steak! Hey! You told me what? Nothing. I didn't call you nothing. Alright, awesome. So, next thing over here, what do we got? Another one. Oh, here we go. Hopefully this one actually runs though. Awesome! That's my new whip. It's the pickup truck Texas edition. Yo, this thing is so cool. Oh. Hey! Get out of here! Hey! You're not walking my car. Get out of here, Skylar. No. Let's go on a trip together. No, I don't want to go on a road trip with you. You're crazy. I don't want any part of this. I'm out of here. Hey, we going to Hawaii? No, we ain't going to Hawaii. What do I look like to you? Yo, this car is real thick. It's real wide. Look at this. I'm taking up both lanes. It reminds me of Texas. Yeah! Oh. Okay. That is the third car we have crashed. All right. Let's go to the next one. So now we're going to have this one right here. There we go. Put all these parts together. And what do we got? Another car. Banana. Crashed it. This thing is really fast. Here we go. Woo! Yo, this car goes 46 miles per hour. Hit H. Yo, I got a horn. Yay! All right, Scout, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm out of here. I got my new whip. And ain't nobody gonna stop your boy Moose with my new whip. Nah, you can't catch up to me. You gotta pay. I ain't paying for nothing, Skylar. You owe me 2 cars because you broke both my cars, and I'm not interested in we're breaking up. Yeah, bam. MooseCraft. All right, I paid you for those 2 cars. Now he's gonna pay 9. I'll see y'all tomorrow with a better video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the bell. I am getting out of here, man. I got my new whip in the city. I'm out of here. It's a convertible. That's right. This is awesome. All right, thank you so much for watching. Hope you did enjoy. Come back tomorrow for a brand new crazy Daycare video. Peace out. Bye.